I accidentally changed the controls and had to search and figure out how to do this. So if I did it, you might have done it too. With the Icom R6, you see it advertised all the time. You can swap the tuning knobs and the volume controls. Let me show you where it is in the manual. In case you're a visual spatial kind of person and you need to see it, it's the function key and the tuning step. You can do it one-handed. Let me show you in the video. Very simple. So you don't like these volume buttons for your controls. I'm going to push the one with tone and the function key. Get a little bit of a beep, and now if we do the button, it's going to change our frequency, and the volume is going to be up here. Change it back. Get your finger on the TS function key, and now volume's back down there, and the dial, the tune, is right there. Simple enough, huh? Anyways, hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. 7-3. Everyone be safe. God bless.